Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CFMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very crazy movement on this one. Granted, the market as a whole had a crazy move, but still, I mean, out of the gates, that was a big plunge, and now all of a sudden the price has bounced and recovered right back to those areas of resistance, and this has all happened on, once again, above average volume. So definitely this is one of those where if you get motion sick, you're probably throwing up all over the place today. But overall, and this is kind of where things will become a little anticlimactic from the video perspective, where I'm updating things because there's really nothing new to report other than just confirmation, and the main point of confirmation comes via this red line here that I talked about on the video that I did on Wednesday, and that level is currently valued at 345. So 345 has definitely been confirmed as being that key level of resistance. You can see that is where the price has essentially struggled. Sure, it got up above there, but it was never able to stay up above 345. So 345 remains that near term and it is public enemy number one going into Friday. So keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are concerned, for a while when the price violated that green line there, you can see things got pretty nasty in a hurry. But now that the price is back above the green line, which is a value of 320, that just puts the bulls back in full control. And going forward, that is the preferable level that you would want to see. If the price does not hold above it, then keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average, and that's the level that from a grander scheme perspective, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls overall do still own the health of the chart. But at the end of the day, as far as where levels of resistance at, what matters the most is what this chart continues to do. Even with the big pullback here, you can see that set of lows is still right there. And if this new set of lows starts to hold, and if you envision these as stair steps, that's what you want to see right there. As long as these stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.